In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create task approval workflow in Asana. By the end, you'll have a simple, reliable way to route tasks for review and make sure the right person gives a clear yes, no, or needs changes decision without manual back and forth. First, open the project where you want this workflow to run. Make sure you're in the correct project view so your rules and automation apply to the right place. If your team uses sections like to do in progress and ready for review, have that structure visible so everything makes sense as we set things up. Next, look to the top right of your project and click Customize. This is Asana's control center for fields, forms, and most importantly for us, rules. Opening Customize keeps your main board visible while you configure automations so you can see how the rule will affect real tasks. Inside Customize, find Rules and choose Add Rule. This is where we'll link a specific trigger to a set of actions. Rules are powerful because once they're live, Asana takes care of the repetitive steps for you, keeping your process consistent. Now set your trigger, choose Task, move to Section, and select the section you use for reviews, such as Ready for Review. This means the rule will only run when someone intentionally moves a task into that review lane, which reduces noise and keeps approvals focused on the right moment in your workflow. With the trigger defined, set the action to change task to an approval. This converts the standard task into an approval type task, giving you the built-in decision options of approve, request changes, or reject. That structure is key for clarity. No more guessing whether a comment means it's approved or still pending. Finally, add another action to assign task to the specific approver. Pick the person responsible for final sign-off, ideally the same role every time for this project. Assigning the approver ensures the task lands on one person's plate, eliminates ambiguity, and starts the review immediately. If your team sometimes rotates approvers, choose the most consistent reviewer for this rule and keep your section naming and process clean so everyone knows where to send work. That's it. You've set up a targeted approval workflow. When a task is moved to the review section, Asana automatically converts it to an approval and assigns it to the right approver. Keep your project sections clear, communicate who the approver is to your team, and maintain a consistent naming convention for the review section so the trigger always works as expected. This simple automation keeps decisions visible, accountable, and fast.